Hello students! This video is just an additional resource for you guys to review to help you with your assignment calorie intake, which you find under the week 5 module of your healthy living research. Also, it will be due on June 22nd. So in this video I'm going to show you how to calculate your total intake of the 3 macronutrients. Now you should have already watched the videos of what a calorie is and macronutrients, so you have a better understanding of what it is I'm going to be doing. So in the video macronutrients, it gives you these values. Sorry, I don't know if you can see it all the way, but for carbs, it'll tell you for every gram of carbs you eat, we get 4 calories. That says calories. Sorry, my handwriting. And then for every gram of protein we eat, we get 4 calories. That just says per gram for each of them. And then for fats, which provide the most calories out of the 3 macronutrients, we get 9 calories for every gram we consume. Okay? So that's just a little review there, but you'll see that in the video of macronutrients. Now I'm just going to jump into the example and show you how to calculate whatever food you are going to eat. So my example here, I'm going to say I eat 2 cheese sticks with some Ritz crackers. So first, this is just the regular Colby Jack cheese sticks, great value. So I highlighted the things I really want you to look at when you are observing your nutrient label of whatever food you eat for this during the day for this assignment. So in pink we have the serving size, and for this particular food is 1 stick. So just be sure you double check this on the nutrient label of whatever you're eating, because it's different for every food. Okay, now for 1 stick of this cheese I get 80 calories. Okay, and it tells you right there per serving. So remember, per serving, 1 stick. And that also follows for this too. For per serving, which is 1 stick of cheese, Colby Jack cheese, you get 7 grams of fat total, and then a total of carbohydrates, which we don't get any, so 0, and then we get 5 grams of protein. Okay, it gives you all these little values here underneath. Really don't really focus on those, because what I want you to really concentrate on is the fat, carbohydrate, and protein. Okay? So we're gonna start with the cheese sticks. Now we said we have a total of 7 grams of fat. Okay, so I'm gonna say I eat 2 cheese sticks because I like cheese. So we have 2 cheese sticks. Okay. So for that, I'm gonna do 1 cheese stick at a time, just to make it easy, okay? But I mean, if you want to go ahead and skip it, go ahead, but just remember you have to calculate it by how many servings you have. So 1 cheese stick, we get 7 grams. This is for fat, okay? Let's put in a little arrow there just to remind ourselves. Fat. Okay, so for here, 7 grams for 1 serving. So, and then going back up here, remember our fats, for every gram of fat we get 9 calories. So I'm gonna go ahead and for 1 serving, 7 grams times 9 calories gives us 63 grams. But that's for 1 cheese stick, okay? Now I'm having 2, so I need to remember to multiply this by 2. So just beware of that if you're gonna go straight to, multiplying this by 7 to get 14, and so on, okay? So 63 times 2, and we get 126 grams total for fat, okay? Now going on to looking back at this, we don't have any, we have 0 grams, so we're not going to worry about the carbohydrates on this, but protein, we get 5 grams, okay? So again, we've got 5 grams for 1 serving. Oh, sorry, this is for carbs now. Carbohydrates. So we get 5 grams for 1 serving, and then again up here, we get for carbs, carbohydrates, 4 calories per gram. Now we have 5 grams. We're going to multiply that by 4 because we get 4 calories per gram. And we get 20. But this is just for one serving. Okay? And we're going to do 20 times 2 because I'm eating 2 cheese sticks. Okay? 2 cheese sticks. And that gives us a total of 40 grams. Okay? So we get 126 grams from 2 cheese sticks, 126 grams of fat from 2 cheese sticks. And then 40 grams carbs from 2 cheese sticks. Now if I just had one, I would get 20, right? Okay, I hope that makes sense. And same for if I just had one, because it's 1 serving, I would get 63 grams of fat if I had just 1 cheese stick. Okay. Now we're going to move on to the Ritz crackers, okay? Now, looking at this nutrient label, we see that the serving size is 5 crackers. And calories from 5 crackers is 70. And again, total fat if I eat 5 crackers is 2 grams. Total carbohydrates is 11 grams from 5 crackers, serving size, and then 1 gram of protein. Okay? Again, just don't really mind all these added values there because focusing on the macronutrients. So I'm going to start with my fats. So I'm going to do, I'll say I'm going to have the serving size. So I'm going to have 5 crackers. Okay. 5 crackers. Now again, so we have 2 grams. So it's 2 grams times, and this is for fat, okay? Just gonna write myself a little note here. That's fat, okay? Times 9, because remember this, okay? Times 9, and we get 18 grams. Okay, so since that's the serving size, I'm not going to have to multiply it again because 5 crackers is just 1 serving. So, again, if I had maybe 10 crackers, I would multiply the 18 by 2 because I'm having 2 servings. Okay? Now I'm going to go on to the carbohydrates. And we have 11 grams. So this is going to be my carbs. So we've got 11 grams times, multiply that by 4 calories, because for every gram of carbs we have 4 calories. So that gives us 44 grams. Okay, I'm just going to circle those because that's our in value. Again, if you have 2 servings of these crackers, that'd be 10, so you would have to multiply that again by 2 because it's 2 servings, okay? Now we're going to go on to our protein. And this says we have 1 gram. So just 1 gram times 4 calories. And that gives us 4 grams of protein. Okay, I hope this makes sense. Please review this several times and message, email if this doesn't make sense. But it should once you watch the other videos. And that's all. Thanks.